Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here because today's my topic is from a railway carriage. This is your index and look at here this poem, unit 7 from a railway carriage poem, page number 26. Open page number 26. Today we are going to learn this poem. So let's start. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson, 1850-1894. He is a Scottish novelist, poet and essayist. He was born in Edinburgh. His formal education was greatly interrupted by illness and was frequently taken for holidays. He tried to study engineering, then law, but in 1873 he decided to embark upon a literary career. His novel Treasure Island and Kidnapped as well known. In another one, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, he shows how every individual has tendencies to do both good and evil. He really loved children and understood them. This poem shows his skill as a poet. Now I will read stanza one by one. First stanza is: faster than ferries, faster than witches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows the horse and cattle. All the sides of the hill and the plain fly as thick as driving rain, and ever again in the wink of an eye painted stations whistle by. Third stanza is: here is a child who clambers and scrambles all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stand and gaze, and there is a green for stringing the daisies. Last stanza is: here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and load. And here is a mill, there is a river, each a glimpse and gone forever. Now class, I am going to explain about the poet, but underline some difficult words. Take out your pencil and underline some difficult words. First stanza, faster. Faster mean quickly. Witches. Witches mean ugly and wicked old woman having magical power, jadugarniya. First stanza, second line. Hedges mean a row of bushes or tall plant forming a boundary. बाड़ या झाड़ियों को बोलते हैं. लास्ट लाइन meadows, a grassy field, सब्ज़ार, grassy field भी बोल सकते हैं. ग्रास लैंड भी बोल सकते हैं, चरागाहें. सेकेंड स्टेंजा, फर्स्ट लाइन इज प्लेन, ग्राउंड, मैदान या वादी. सेकेंड लाइन, ड्राइविंग रेन मीन हैवी रेन, तेज बारिश. थर्ड लाइन, द विंक ऑफ एन आई. द विंक ऑफ एन आई मीन शटिंग ऑफ वन आई फॉर वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम, आँख का झपकना. पेंट मीन कलर्ड, रंगा हुआ. Whistle by mean when the first train goes past a station, whistling a sound is produced. सीटी की आवाज़ के साथ गुजरना. Now class, third stanza, look at here. Underline some difficult words. Clamber mean climb with difficulty, बड़ी मुश्किल से ऊपर चढ़ना. Scramble mean move with difficulty. All by himself, second line, alone or without help. Bramble mean blackberries. Tramp mean homeless. Khana badosh. Gaze mean look fixedly and continuously, गौर से देखना. String mean garland. Last stanza. Now class, lumping mean moving with difficulty, लंगड़ाते हुए. Glimpse mean a brief look, सरसरी झलक. And last word is gone forever, disappeared from the sight, निगाह से ओझल होना. Now class, I will explain about the poet. This poem is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. He was born 1850 and he was died 1894. He is a Scottish poet, novelist and essayist. He was born in Edinburgh. His novel Treasure Island, Treasureland and Kidnap are famous. About the poem has a rhyming scheme. The language and the tune of the poem have a speed of a fast moving train. The poem has internal as well as external rhymes. The theme is explicit here and the poet is exploring the beauty of nature. When everyone is in a rush like a train, the poet through descriptive and meaning of his word tries to create a world of a nature which is a source of enjoyment. This poetry is the poetry of nature loving, and we call this era an era of romantic age. The poets like Wordsworth, Shakespeare and etc. can be seen wandering a lonely cloud and enjoying the beauty of nature. Now class, you can write central idea in short. We are living in the age of speed. All of us have much work to do, so we must take the speed of fast moving train. In this way we can survive and struggle by fighting through the ups and downs of life. If we become hopeless and disappointed, then our journey of life come to an end. This is your central idea. Class, inshallah Tala, I will explain first, second, third stanza explanation in my next lecture. Inshallah Tala, this poem I am also explain in Urdu, and you can collect worksheet poem number 1, 2 and 3 in your school. Allah Hafiz.